Morning, all of you of class 6 student. Today we are going to study about the science. In previous class we have already studied about the fruits, oils, spices, stem vegetables, leafy vegetables, flowers, vegetables, etc. What were they are the, you can say, different food items. Now some animals also provide us food. How it is? It is in the form of either egg, milk, meat, etc. So animals are also a biggest source of food. In this class, we will discuss about the source of food as animal. During this science period, this is my duty to you, aware you about this type of epidemic situation. In this epidemic situation, I would like to suggest you must stay home, stay safe, and whenever if it is very essential to go out, you must maintain the social distancing and use mask. That is, you must cover your entire face and never come in contact with any person, because you can say a proverb is coming into the television screen or on the television screen, and I think perhaps you all will have also watched this. सटला तो सटक लेला, मतलब अगर सटे आप तो सटक गए. Or look on study materials also, animals as a source of food. As we know, that some animals are omnivores and some are carnivores. Food obtained from animals will be required for the omnivores and carnivores both. So what type of food materials are being given by animals? In our day-to-day life, as we see, animals provide us milk, egg, meat, etc. Different, you can say, different animals give different substances. Whatever first you as we look for the meat, it is obtained from goat, sheep and poultry like chicken. And poultry. Hen, duck, turkey, etc. They provide us it is obtained from this, from goat, etc. Now let's we have another look. Egg, or you can say milk or egg, etc. First we, as we talk about the egg, egg can be obtained from hen, duck, goose, etc. We are talking about the edible egg, खाने योग्य अंडे. Milk, it is very useful diet for the human beings. It is the most important for the human beings and for some animals also. It can be obtained from buffalo, goat, cow, camel, etc. As I see, I have just written very clearly on blackboard. Once again, I request you please stay at home and write all these materials which has been written on blackboard. Fishes are also good diet for us. Fishes are found in fresh water or seawater. There are several types of fishes. Oyster, crab, prawn, rehu, etc. Some algae are also used as a seafood. Food as seafood. Fishes are the best source of vitamin E, protein, and for iodine. Milk and milk products. Almost all types of food gradients or types of protein, minerals, vitamins, etc. are found in milk. So that milk is said as the complete diet. Is from the nectar collected, as you all knows, collected from flowers, and it is stored in the beehives. Honey contains sugar, minerals, and some enzymes also. It is easy to digest. So this is the last of this topic, and from tomorrow we will study details and checkpoints you will have to solve yourself. From tomorrow we will study about how living things get food, and another details will be studied on second class. Thank you and have a nice day.